Welcome to WestRock's outstanding folding carton plant in Mebane, North Carolina. Mebane's 265 teammates are extremely busy now. We're working 24 hours a day across 4 shifts to produce 320 million cartons a year that are used for essential pharmaceutical packaging. This packaging makes it possible for people to have access to the medications that they need when they need them.
We work closely with other WestRock plants that produce leaflets and labels to provide our customers with an integrated packaging offering that can meet many specific needs.
These needs include child-resistant packaging that is difficult to open and senior-friendly packaging that is easy to open. We also produce adherence packaging that helps people take the right dose of medicine at the right time.
Safety drives our culture at Mebane, while we are at work and also while we are away from work. We are reducing our exposure to physical injuries. And as the COVID-19 pandemic continues, we're enhancing hygiene practices, wearing masks, and ensuring social distancing.
Thanks to the amazing, hard-working Mebane team for their commitment to operating safely and responsibly while caring for each other. Your well-being and safety are vitally important while we're supporting major pharmaceutical customers to deliver medications to those who need them. I urge all of us to remember and practice the 3 W's at work and away from work. Wash your hands, wear your mask, and watch your distance. Thanks to all of the incredible WestRock team around the world for operating safely, productively, and responsibly for the well-being of each other, our customers, and all of the people who use the essential products packaged by WestRock.
Stay safe, stay well, and stay strong.
Stay safe, stay well, and stay strong.